So I use these DZ toolbox tie downs. Install a better built toolbox in the box of my 2018 Chevy Silverado. Had to do some minor modifications to the front one. Use the tie down hook, which is underneath here, to get it to hold down, because I do have this lovely dirt bike tie down mount in the box of my truck. So I got 3 of them on there. I would have liked to have used 4, but all in all it's pretty easy to install. It took me less than maybe 10-15 minutes. I think the toolbox looks pretty sweet. Went with a black low profile to accent the black running boards on the truck. Overall, it's pretty good. If you got any questions, just message me and I'll let you know what I know, and good luck.